It's me, hello, let's YT back in videos. Today what we're going to be doing, 60 subscriber special, we're going to be reviewing the flashback sale for this. And my friend's going gut because he likes going gut. Rufus, this is supposed to be a child-friendly video. Well, I guess I kind of do. I really don't do child-friendly. But can I just show you something? You see this? Rufus, come here. Come here, I'll spank you in the face. Yahoo! There's a DLC. Also, by the way, have you seen there's a Stranger Things game out? It's a Stranger Things VR game. Oh, well, it's not. Well, it's actually a really good horror game. I've watched the trailer. It's really good. Oh, yeah, you can bang my name up. Me and my monkey. Okay. 8,300 shiny rocks. That's a lot of shiny rocks. First, now we're exploring, okay? We're exploring. Okay, any changes to the maps? Let's see. Oh, wait, also caves. Mines. Let's see what happens to mines. Nope, nothing happens to mines. Still that crushed down sign. Wait, that looks different. That's a gorilla. Or is that... Can't pick it up. Okay. Yeah, bye.